Meaning of Foxe's Book of Martyrs.
Foxe's Book of Martyrs.
Foxe's Book of Martyrs.
Foxe's Book of Martyrs.
Foxe's Book of Martyrs. Foxe's Book of Martyrs is a work of literature chronicling the lives and deaths of Christian martyrs, particularly those who were persecuted during the reign of Queen Mary I in England. The book, first published in 1563, describes the sacrifices and suffering of those who stood up for their faith, often facing cruel and inhumane punishment. It has been influential in shaping the Protestant Reformation and has been widely read by Christians throughout history. Today, it remains an important historical record of religious persecution and serves as a source of inspiration for believers facing religious oppression.